This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock. Rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. The fuel filter is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Place absorbent rags beneath the filter. Rotate the locking collar clockwise, then pull the filter downwards from the head. To aid bleeding, pre-fill the new filter with clean diesel. Align the lug on the filter with the head. Then rotate the locking collar anti-clockwise to lock it in position. An audible click will be heard when the locking collar is secured. Depress the release button and disconnect the fuel supply pipe. Connect one end of a hand priming pump to the fuel supply pipe and the other end to the fuel filter. Be sure to follow the direction of the flow arrow on the hand priming pump to make sure it is connected the correct way around. Squeeze the priming pump bulb until the fuel filter is full and the bulb becomes firm. Continue squeezing the priming bulb during engine cranking. With the aid of an assistant, crank the engine on the starter motor for 10 seconds at a time, allowing the starter motor to cool for 30 seconds between each starting attempt. Once the engine starts, allow it to idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Stop the engine, disconnect the hand priming pump, and reconnect the fuel supply pipe to the filter. Mop up any spilled fuel and remove the absorbent rags. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet.